Hello everyone, my name is Holman Fuentes. I live in Bogota, Colombia. I am 28 years old. I am from Boyacá, Colombia. I am a person of average height. My eyes are light brown, my hair is dark brown, and my dark brown skin. I am friendly and sometimes a little irritable, but almost always nice and cheerful. I like to help people who need it and learn things that serve me for usefulness in my life. And I don't like injustices. I am studying in the University UNAT in the program of Industrial Engineering. I am an environmental technician and I have two children. I live with them and my wife. I like to travel and get to know other places and visit my parents and sisters. I am a God person. I am creative. I like to learn many things. I want to learn to speak at least two other languages besides Spanish, such as English and Portuguese, so that someday I can travel and learn even more with my family. I like to practice many sports and share them with my family and my children. At home after work, I go to my study room where I think a lot about my life in my spiritual life, and from the time to time I read to be able. In my apartment there is a medium-sized bathroom with blue and white tiles and mirror a little bit, or there is a kitchen with a large counter and drawers from the groceries and large grey refrigerator and a clothing yard where there is a small washing machine, a washing tank, and a lot of like this scene throughout that I like to see the sunny days. Thank you so much.